Hello students, good morning. I am Ravindra Mohan Mishra of Sri Jagdamba Sanskrit College. Today we want to learn about kinds of main verb. Some days ago we have learned about verb. Kinds of main verb is also more important for us because when we learn voice there will be use of transitive or intransitive verb. Only we can make voice of transitive verb. Intransitive verb is avoided. First of all, we learn what is transitive verb and what is intransitive verb. Kinds of main verb. There are two kinds of main verb. First one is transitive verb. Second one is intransitive verb. What is transitive verb? Verb that has an object is called transitive verb that है जिसका कि ऑब्जेक्ट होता है उसे ही हम ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, राम eats a mango. How it is transitive verb? राम खाता है तो क्या खाता है? A mango. Here a mango is an object. That is why this sentence is of example of transitive verb. Now come on, what is intransitive verb? What is intransitive? What is intransitive verb? A verb that has no object is called intransitive verb. Just for example, Ram eats. राम खाता है. Here it is saying Ram eats. राम खाता है. क्या खाता है? It is not given. It may be possible then Ram eats a mango. Ram eats a bread. Ram eats a guava. Many things. It is not complete sentence. Why? Ram eats by Ram. I know that Ram eats. Ram खाता है. Only which type of thing is eaten by Ram is not given. That is why it is of intransitive verb. Now, come on. We want to clear it by some few sentences. Ram plays cricket. Ram plays in the ground. Ram plays daily. There are these three sentences. Ram plays cricket. Ram plays in the ground. Ram plays daily. First sentence is the example of transitive verb. Why? Ram plays. Ram खेलता है. क्या खेलता है? क्रिकेट खेलता है. But second one is example of intransitive verb. Why? Because Ram plays. Ram खेलता है. कहाँ? In the ground. मैदान में. तो मैदान में क्या खेलता है? It is not given. Work is not given. Which type of work is done by Ram is not cleared. Now Ram plays daily. Ram खेलता है प्रत्येक दिन. Which type of game is played by Ram? It is not. That is why it is the example of transitive verb. It is intransitive verb and it is intransitive verb. What is we see? Here is also subject verb and other words. There are subject verb and other words. There are subject verb other words. But it has its term is given. In it term is not given. In also the term is not given. That is why it object is not given. That is why both these two sentences are intransitive verb and this sentence is of example of transitive verb. Next. We read English. We read in the class. We read regularly. These three sentences. We read the English. हम लोग पढ़ते हैं, इंग्लिश पढ़ते हैं. We read in the class. हम लोग कहाँ पढ़ते हैं? क्लास में पढ़ते हैं. We read regularly. हम लोग प्रत्येक दिन पढ़ते हैं. हम लोग यहाँ थर्ड सेंटेंस, हम लोग प्रत्येक दिन पढ़ते हैं. तो क्या पढ़ते हैं? नहीं दिया हुआ है. We read in the class. हम लोग कहाँ पढ़ते हैं? वर्ग में पढ़ते हैं. क्या पढ़ते हैं? ये नहीं दिया हुआ है. We read English. हम लोग पढ़ते हैं, क्या पढ़ते हैं? अंग्रेजी पढ़ते हैं. तो यहाँ दिया हुआ है कि हम लोग ये अंग्रेजी पढ़ते हैं. ये आपका ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब, ये आपका इंट्रांजिटिव वर्ब और ये भी आपका इंट्रांजिटिव वर्ब. He is slowly. He eats rice. First sentence is we feel that all are slightly different from one another, but slightly differences occurs long differences. Difference between transitive and intransitive verb. First one is he eats. वह खाता है. तो भाई what he eats is not given. He eats slowly. वह खाता है. कैसे खाता है? धीरे धीरे खाता है. But what he eats is not given. लेकिन वह क्या खाता है यह नहीं दिया हुआ है. थर्ड वन इज he eats rice. वह खाता है, क्या खाता है? चावल खाता है. In it given चावल. So that is why third one is example of transitive verb. First one is example of intransitive verb. And first one is also example of intransitive verb.